In today's fast-paced world, everyone wants more financial freedom. We dream of escaping the 9-to-5 grind and spending time doing what we love. Passive income offers a way to achieve this. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. One popular way to generate passive income is through online businesses. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, online ventures offer flexibility and low overhead costs. You can work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Affiliate marketing is one such online business model with immense potential. You recommend products or services you believe in to your audience. If they make a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. Niche sites take affiliate marketing a step further. By narrowing your focus, you can become an authority in that area and attract a highly targeted audience. Building a successful affiliate niche site requires careful planning and execution. The first and most crucial step is choosing the right niche. Select a topic you're genuinely interested in, as your enthusiasm will shine through your content and resonate with your audience. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to build a high-quality website. Your website will be the home for your valuable content and serve as a platform for promoting affiliate products. Choose a domain name that is relevant to your niche and easy to remember. Invest in a professional-looking website design that is user-friendly and visually appealing. Focus on creating in-depth articles, reviews, tutorials, and comparisons that provide value to your readers. By establishing yourself as a trusted source of information, you'll build credibility and encourage your audience to trust your recommendations. The key to finding the perfect niche is to strike a balance between profitability and passion. Begin by brainstorming topics that genuinely interest you. Think about your hobbies, skills, and areas where you have some knowledge. Research the market demand for these topics. Use keyword research tools to identify relevant keywords with a good search volume and low competition. Analyze your competition. See who else is operating in the same space and what they are doing well. Don't be afraid to niche down further. By narrowing your focus, you can target a more specific audience and become a go-to resource in that particular area. Remember, choosing the right niche is an ongoing process. Section 4. Content is king. Building a valuable website. With your niche selected, it's time to create high-quality content that attracts and engages your target audience. Your website content should provide value to your readers while subtly incorporating your affiliate links. Focus on creating informative and well-researched articles, engaging blog posts, honest and unbiased product reviews, helpful how-to guides and tutorials, and compelling case studies and success stories. When creating content, always keep your target audience in mind. By addressing their specific needs and providing valuable solutions, you'll establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Don't forget about SEO. Optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords, optimizing your website structure, and building backlinks to your site. Section 5. Driving traffic. Attracting visitors to your site. Creating great content is only half the battle. You need to drive traffic to your affiliate niche site to generate income. There are numerous ways to attract visitors to your website, both free and paid. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for organic traffic. By optimizing your website and content for relevant keywords, you can rank higher on search engine results pages, or SERPs. Social media marketing is another effective way to reach a wider audience. Share your content on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Paid advertising such as Google Ads or social media ads can give your traffic an instant boost. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for building relationships with your audience and promoting your affiliate products. Section 6. Success stories and tips for affiliate newbies. Countless individuals have achieved financial freedom through affiliate niche sites. Take, for instance, Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, founder of the personal finance blog, Making Sense of Sense. Michelle started her blog in 2011 to document her journey to paying off student loans. Through affiliate marketing and creating valuable content, she turned her blog into a 7-figure business. Starting an affiliate niche site can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by choosing a niche you are passionate about and conducting thorough market research. Invest time in creating high-quality SEO-optimized content that provides value to your target audience. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful affiliate niche site takes time and effort. Focus on building a strong online presence and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche.